Hey viewers, what's up? This is Mama Sajidz and you guys watching Sajidz Take. So here in this video I'm going to talking with about how you can create your fake phone number, and by that you can also call to your friend. And here it is guys, it's really easy for you, and here how you can do this. To know about that in this video you need to watch this till to the end. I'm Mama Sajidz and you guys watching Sajidz Take. Before just starting my that video, I request you, if you're not still now the subscriber of my channel, then please subscribe, and if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start my that video with you guys. Okay guys, to do this here, first of all you need to go to in the Google Play Store from here, and here you need to search here like that textmeup, and here this app is too much free for you guys. And here, so from here you need to go to on that app and you need to install that app in your mobile phone. After installing it, you need to go to in the open, and here from you need to open over there. Now go to on that right bar again and again. Now click on the get started from here, and here you need to make an email account from here. Now you can make your email account, or you can also make an account by your Facebook. I prefer you to go to through this Google account, as I have already a Google account, so from here I needed to make another account. So here is guys, this is the account by which I just create my own account is there. After that, here you just, it will take you in that account. So from here now go to in the numbers from here, and from here click on the plus to get your first phone number from here. And here is guys, by that here these are the accounts by which you can make your voice, SMS and MMS, and from there you can make your voice and SMS only. So from here I just select that United States from here, and from here it will take you on the country code area from here. Now go to on that specific account from here, and here from you can choose your own mobile number from here. If you want to use your local number, the tab it will not get there. And here you need to use this premium pack. You need to give at least 350 taka per week, and here I don't want to prefer you to give this by your money. I want to show you the free account from here. So just go to the back and the back and back here from your this account. Now go to on this three bar, and from here go to the settings from here, or here if you want to go to there the tab, you can see that in the store that you have only 10 credits are there. So from here you can also buy your own credits. So go from here in the free, and here if you just watch a video you can also earn your 1 to 2 credits from here. Complete an offer, you can also earn 5 to 100 credit also. If you just go to there, that time you can see that there are a lot of offers is running from there, and from here you can get your own offer. Suppose I just go to in the lucky wheels from here, and here it will take you, click on the below to play. And I hope that guys you understand that I from here refer you that you just take some offers from here and just play this offer by just installing this app in your Android mobile phone from the Google Play Store. And after that you just get some credit from here, and from here that credit you can call your friend, because here if you just want to call to your friend, that time it will take at least 3 credit per minute. Suppose here it is guys, this is my mobile number, and from here I just want to call to me, and here is guys, this is my mobile number. Here it say that 3 credit per minute and 5 credits per message. So here if I just want to call to my friends, that time it will take 3 credits from here. And here is guys, I just take my own mobile phone, and from here it just calling to me here in another mobile phone, and after some time you can see that it's just calling, and here it will take a bit time to call because it's connecting by your online, so it take a few time to call your friend. And here you guys you can see that there have another number, and here it is guys, it's unknown number from here, and here you can see that guys I just calling to that number, it's unknown. So here is guys, this is the way by which you can call to your friend by an unknown number from your mobile phone without making another unknown number. But here you have to be some tricky to get some store from here, to get your some credits from here, and from here you can also buy your credits from here. And here it is guys, it's really sometimes tough or easy for you guys, whatever you say. So according to me, if you don't need it badly, that time I refer you don't use it. But if you want to make it there, that time you can use this way to call your friend by your fake number. So here is guys, this is the thing that I want to show you, that how you can use an unknown number to call your friend by your mobile phone without getting an unknown number. It's really easy for you guys. So here is guys, I think that it will be also easy for you. Now it's your turn for you guys to use it in your mobile phone, whether it's working or not. If it works, the time it's my credit to give you that right way. And here is guys, if it works, that time I request you, please give a like that video, share this video with your friends, comment me below on this video, and so on guys. So no more today, we will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.